Hello students, are you also facing problem in managing your places in use? Are you also thinking how to manage your bulky material? How to manage last 2 year places in use? You are just missing your place but just because of 5 or 10. So students, I want to tell you geography mapping is that area from where every year we have 7 to 8 questions. And this is more or less we have fixed answer, we have factual answer, there is no subjectivity. So here you can score around 14 to 16 marks. And in this geography mapping we have static as well as places in use. So student, I'm starting my places in use batch for Prelims 2026 on 23rd Feb 2026. So now here I tell you about this program. Okay. Like one thing is, in this program we have around 4 to 5 live lecture. So what I will do, I will take around 3 to 4 classes in the month of Feb itself. One class I will take in month of April after 15th April. In that class I will cover places in news from March and April month. Okay, and no need to refer bulky material because on your behalf I have done that. So what I will do, I integrate last 2 year places in news which are going to be important for our prelims 2026. And this will be like here, if you refer 4 to 5 classes, no need to refer any other material. Plus we are giving recorded lectures of static geography mapping part. Okay, so that you can have hold on your geography mapping static area. I will tell you about all the lectures detail. Plus we have practice question and doubt sessions so that we have better hold on our information. Now students, what we have in this program, we have around 4 to 5 live classes. We will give you recorded static geography mapping part. Fees is very affordable. For online student it is 99, for hybrid student it is 199. But let me tell you, in hybrid we have limited seating capacity. We have only 120 seating capacity. So if you are looking for hybrid, it is first come first service. Map based learning, okay, we will provide you material also. Plus we have practice question. We include 3 tests. Test 1 we will have 25 question on static part. So I will ask you to revise your static part from recorded lectures. Then we will have a test 1 where I give you 25 questions on static part so that you can recall your information. Plus we will have doubt session on that static part. Test 2 we have 25 questions on places in news. Test 3 will be a full syllabus of your geography mapping, 50 questions. So that we can practice questions as well, so that we have an idea ki like whether we are comfortable in mapping, yes or no. Now I tell you, next is in static part we have all these lectures. Like I covered Indian river system because every year on an average there is minimum 1 question from Indian drainage system, and I covered that in 2 lectures with mnemonic. So this mnemonic will help you to remember each and every minute detail of Indus river system, Ganga river system, Brahmaputra river system and other rivers. And I have covered in detail the river flowing on the western side, eastern sides. Every minute detail I have taken. Next is physiography of India. Here also I have given minute detail with map so that you have better clarity, because I have seen students when they refer atlas themselves in half an hour they just utilize 5 minutes. But after this lecture when you refer your atlas you will appreciate, and this session will help you to increase your marks in geography mains also, where you can add map and you have a better clarity about the physiography of India. Natural vegetation in NCERT, yes, it is covered, but that is not sufficient. So I have taken this content from Cooler book, which geography optional student they refer. We have the detail, and which is actually UPSC is asking nowadays. Other than that, world mapping I have covered 6 continents except Antarctica in detail, but I have seen students when they refer this continent they give 3 days for continent, they give nearly 15 to 18 days. But here hard, like we have 1 question from this static part. So what I have covered, I cover all this in 4 lecture. I cover important river of Africa, important lake of Africa, important desert, important mountain ranges, peak. So that is more than enough. If you refer this 4 lecture, no need to refer bulky material for this. After that, ecology part is very important nowadays. Biosphere Reserve, National Park, Ramsar sites. But the latest addition in the Ramsar site I will take with these places in news. Ports, mineral, oceans, current, local wind, international organization. Every year there is change in international organization. Some nations they add, some nations they leave, कुछ country add होती है, कुछ country छोड़ जाती है. So I will take that detail in my places in news. Mountain ranges, peak, passes, glacier, agriculture is very important nowadays, soils of India, resources. So you get recorded lecture here. So this is going to help you out to handle 4 or 5 questions. So student, we kept fees 99 rupees for online, for hybrid 199. Let me tell you, for hybrid we have limited seating capacity. If you are interested, you can call on our reception number 8826619699, or you can visit our website ieassetu.com. Thank you, students.